I bought a used 2021 Cat 320. Can I skip the maintenance?
Dream on.
Why? Follow me to learn more about the construction industry. Age not equal to condition. Even though it's a 2021 model, if the previous owner neglected maintenance or ran it hard, like in mining or crushing work, the internal wear could already be severe. Hidden risks of used equipment. You don't know if the last owner changed fluids on time, if it was ever overloaded, or if it's been in accident. Maintenance cost, repair cost, maintenance, oil change, filters, and so on, hundreds of US dollars per service. Repairs, depending on the working condition, it could cost thousands of US dollars or more. What happens if I skip maintenance? Some problems should be showed up. Engine, seize the pistons, carbon buildup, and turbo failure. Hydraulics, pump or valve wear, burst hoses, and slow operation. The undercarriage, track derailment, and the drive motor damage. Electric system, sensor failure, short circuit, and fire risk. Structure, correct frame, and the hidden weld breaking. After buying the used construction machines, do a full inspection as soon as possible. Then stick to the manufacturer's maintenance schedule or choose us. Welcome to Follow How the Machinery. In April, more surprises.